Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time you're tuning in, you're absolutely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. We're about to unbox the Sony ZV-E10 camera. We're also going to be unboxing Boya mic. It's the wireless microphone. Finally, we are going to be unboxing the Sony tripod as well. So the Sony tripod is the GP-VPT2BT. I couldn't count that. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Hi guys, I'm about to unbox my biggest birthday gift for myself, and guess what? This is the Sony ZV-E10. Someone's YouTube video is about to be elevated. Just look at this baby. So let's do it together. Oh. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, okay, how does this work? I don't know. Okay, let's turn it on. And I don't know how this works, but yeah, I'm gonna have to watch some videos, but I think you can do this. Oh my god. So I'm going to have to charge it, and yeah, hopefully it works. So I'm going to have to charge it and then watch some YouTube videos on how to use it, but this is basically what it looks like. I just a fear. I don't want to budget anything. So basically this is what it looks like. The newest baby in town. I'm going to keep her back in the back. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel for more premium content. These are my biggest investments for YouTube and for my social media, my content creation journey. So do well to subscribe to this channel, follow me for more content. I just unboxed all my gadgets, so do well to subscribe and follow me on my channel and all my social media platforms. Thank you, love you. We've come to the end of the unboxing. I hope you loved it because I loved me my present. Do not forget to like this video and give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys, please. I am literally begging. This video is literally me pleading that you click on the subscription button and share this video on your socials. Ask people to join and subscribe to this community and let me know all your sweet wishes and congratulations message. Tell me in the comment section below. Do not slide into my DM. Tell me in this comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Somebody's content is about to be premium and that's on it. Period. Guys, I beg, show me love. Subscribe to my channel.